Today I was going to talk to you about a thing called a surge protector. So I'm sure you're familiar with surge protectors that go in your house for your household appliances. Usually you have them connected to anything that you made an investment on. So maybe it's a Wi-Fi router, your computer equipment. We have one on our refrigerator because it tends to, well, number one, refrigerators are crazy expensive today and they have lots of electrical components. And every time we out in Texas seem to have any kind of a power surge outing or anything related to power, our Samsung refrigerator does tend to just die. So then we have to take off the back panel, reset the control panel, control board, and usually we're back in business, fingers crossed. Now that we have a surge protector, I feel much better that that thing will be protected so that we do not have to buy another refrigerator. Same thing goes for your HVAC equipment. So the condensing unit that sits outside of the house has a compressor inside of it. It's a very expensive component, a very critical part of the system itself. It will not work without it. And it is something that tends to, when a power surge happens, it tends to go out. So in order to prevent that from happening, or at least put any kind of preventative measures in place, it is very, very wise to have a surge protector on your condensing unit. Same goes for the air handler that's in your attic. So if you have an air handler in the attic, we also recommend having a surge protector on it. Again, these are very expensive pieces of equipment that are required to maintain and run your household and keep it at a nice, comfortable temperature. You do not want to be in a situation where you have a power surge, a power glitch, any kind of outage, and damage to those electrical components inside those units. So highly recommend surge protectors on your air handler in the attic, as well as the condensing unit outside. We can help you get those in place. Just give us a call. Kiana would be happy to get you on the schedule. We can also make a note, which we will be doing anyway, to recommend these to all of our customers when we're coming out this fall to do your fall checkups. That way, before we get into any of the freezing weather that tends to come our way in the wintertime with those crazy electrical outages and things like that that we have happened. So yeah, another tip for you just to kind of get in front of any potential problems. Thanks and have a great day.